What is the best way to maintain old PLC systems without documentation? Imagine walking into a control room filled with aging equipment and no manuals in sight. How do you keep these systems running smoothly without any guidance? That's what we're here to figure out. When dealing with old programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, that lack documentation, it can seem like solving a puzzle with missing pieces. But with a systematic approach, you can keep these systems operational and even learn enough to update or replace them later. First, start with a careful physical check of the hardware. Look at all wiring, connectors, and components for signs of wear, corrosion, or damage. Make sure the environment is suitable for the PLC. Check temperature, humidity, and cleanliness. Dust and debris can cause overheating or electrical faults. Regular cleaning and inspection are key to preventing hardware failures. Next, verify the power supply. Ensure the input voltage is stable and within the recommended range. Power spikes or dips can cause erratic operation or damage. Check the backup battery inside the PLC. If it's weak or dead, replace it. This battery keeps the program safe during power outages, so it's vital to keep it healthy. Since there's no existing program backup, connect to the PLC with the proper programming software. Many PLC brands have their own tools, like Siemens Step 7 or Allen Bradley RS Logics. Use these to read the current program and save a copy. Even if the program isn't well documented, having a backup allows you to analyze what the system is doing. Use diagnostic features built into the PLC. Look at status LEDs, error codes, and built-in test functions. These can tell you if the system is functioning properly or if there are faults. Monitoring the inputs and outputs during operation is also helpful. Record how sensors and actuators respond to control signals. This helps you understand the control logic without needing original documentation. As you observe the system, start creating your own documentation. Draw wiring diagrams, note how inputs and outputs are connected, and sketch flowcharts of the control logic. Write down what each device does based on your testing. This new documentation will be invaluable for future troubleshooting or upgrades. Develop a routine maintenance schedule. Regularly inspect connections, tighten terminals, and check environmental conditions. Test the program's functionality periodically to ensure it still controls processes correctly. Keep spare parts like replacement modules, fuses, and batteries on hand. Train personnel on basic system operation and emergency procedures. In today's Industry 4.0 world, integrating smart tools can make maintaining legacy systems easier. Use remote monitoring if possible, and plan for gradual upgrades to newer PLC platforms that offer better diagnostics and cybersecurity. This way, you keep the old system running while preparing for future automation improvements. To sum up, maintaining old PLCs without documentation involves a careful hardware inspection, backing up and analyzing the existing program, observing system behavior, creating new documentation, and following a disciplined maintenance routine. This approach helps keep your control system reliable and ready for the next step in automation.